Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, and let us sing of birds Australia
Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome. I'm Fiona Board, Head of Future Learner Commencement and Manager of International Student Services. Graduations are one of the university's most important events, and we are delighted to resume ceremonies in 2022. I would like to introduce you to the people who are here on stage. Seated at the centre of the stage is Emeritus Professor Tony Baker, who will preside over this ceremony. The Emeritus Professor is joined today by Professor Joanne Tipper, Head of School Biomedical Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, who will be presenting graduates and provide the occasional address. The other people seated on stage are professors, academic and professional staff from faculties and institutes who have played such a large part in the success of today's graduation. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Emeritus Professor Tony Baker to formally open proceedings.
In the name of the Council, I declare this congregation of the University of Technology, Sydney, duly assembled. On behalf of the University of Technology, Sydney, before we begin the proceedings and on behalf of all those present, I would like to acknowledge and pay respect to the traditional owners of the land on which we meet, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation. It is upon their ancestral lands that UTS stands. Similarly, I would also like to pay respect to the elders, both past, present and emerging, acknowledging them as the traditional custodians of knowledge for this place. In this graduation ceremony, we will celebrate the conferral of awards upon graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology. Today's ceremony marks a great achievement for the graduates and recognises the support which they have received from family and friends, many of whom are here today. We warmly welcome you, and together we celebrate the achievements of the graduates. Completing a degree is a significant achievement in anyone's life, and we should never underestimate the sacrifices made and the hard work undertaken that has led you to today. We will celebrate with each graduate as they cross the stage, but perhaps we could commence our celebrations by congratulating our graduates. Congratulations. On behalf of the university, I would particularly like to express our appreciation for the patience of all of today's graduates, families and friends in waiting out the pandemic, we hope it's over, to attend this special milestone event. It has been a difficult 2 years for people in all corners of the world, and today we acknowledge the impact on our UTS community and celebrate our resilience. We are delighted that you are here today, and we hope it will be a memorable occasion for all of you. Graduation is as important to family and friends as it is to graduates, and indeed the university. So on behalf of all of us at UTS, and in concert with our graduates, I would like to say thank you to family members and friends for joining us today, for all your support during the learning journeys of these graduates. Graduates, can you let them know how much you appreciate their support? I wish to say a couple of things to our graduates. Graduation is a turning point in your life, and today you have graduated from a world-leading University of Technology and Australia's #1 young university. In fact, it's so young that I was young when I joined it 35 years ago. At UTS, you gained much knowledge, learnt many new skills, realised how to communicate your ideas, and discovered how to work effectively with others. For some of you, that occurred in an international context, but for all of you here today, graduating from UTS marks your emergence as a global citizen. You will be held in high esteem thanks to the high-quality education you have received with us here at UTS. Please remember that with pride. Life beyond UTS will bring you both opportunities and challenges. You will encounter many such opportunities as you start or continue in your careers, and you may well enjoy exciting prospects across the world as borders open again. More importantly, you will have opportunities to influence lives and the quality of those lives across the globe. Equally, the challenges that you face after graduation have never been greater. Scrutiny and expectation from society is high and will only increase over time. So I'd like to leave you with two guiding principles. The first of these is to use your knowledge and skills for the very best interests of humanity, including for future generations, because the future depends on all of us using our talents for the benefit of the world and its communities in which we live our lives. Your contribution will ensure a more prosperous, inclusive and sustainable society for people everywhere. I ask you, as a UTS graduate, to ensure that you leave the world in a better state through your efforts and contribution. And the second thing that I ask is that you always remember throughout your career to maintain the highest professional and personal integrity. I have no doubt you will face, as all of us do, many ethical dilemmas and challenges, personally and professionally. I ask you all as UTS graduates to remember to maintain your professional pride, because this is essential if your integrity and the worth of your UTS education is to be maintained. In large part, you have the efforts and ethics of many UTS graduates who came before you to thank for the university's reputation. Likewise, you share that obligation to maintain this reputation for the UTS students of today and the graduates of tomorrow. Please keep in mind these guiding principles at all times and make yourselves, your families and your university proud of you. Finally, I also want you to continue to enjoy the benefits of an ongoing relationship with UTS as your university. Stay connected with this world-class institution and stay curious. This will not be the end of your learning journey, and we look forward to you continuing your journey with us in the years ahead. In the meantime, know that today you join a group of over 245,000 UTS alumni around the world in various professions. Your alumni office will be your lifelong connection to UTS, no matter where your careers and lives take you. On behalf of the Council of the University of Technology, Sydney, I congratulate all of our UTS graduates on their achievement in obtaining the awards for which they have qualified. Congratulations, UTS graduates. I now invite Professor Joanne Tipper, Head of School Biomedical Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, to present graduates.
Emeritus Professor Baker, I invite graduates in the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology to stand, please. Emeritus Professor Baker, the UTS Council has resolved that the candidates recommended to it by the Faculty Board in Engineering and Information Technology as eligible for awards have completed all requirements of a course of study approved by the Board and has conferred these awards upon them. Emeritus Professor Baker, I now present those graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology who are here before you to acknowledge the awards for which they have qualified. Graduates, please be seated. Emeritus Professor Baker, research degree programmes, including PhD and Master by Thesis, are instrumental in helping us to achieve our vision to be a world-leading Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology. In addition to their passion and commitment, our research students cohort contributes innovative and entrepreneurial ideas that advance UTS and the field at large. Emeritus Professor Baker, I present to you graduates receiving doctoral research degrees. The following students have graduated with the Doctor of Philosophy: Dinushika Shaimali Senavarenthi Ikenaiki, for a thesis entitled New Developments in Stormwater Characterization and Remediation for Water Use, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Emeritus Professor Saravanamuth Vigneswaran and Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Jaya Kumar Kandasamy. Emeritus Professor Baker, I present to you Dr. Dinashika Shaimali Senavaranthi Ekanaike. Seongchu Ryu, for a thesis entitled Selective Resource Recovery from Acid Mine Drainage by Membrane Distillation and Adsorption Process, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Emeritus Professor Saravanamuth Vineswaran, Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Jaya Kumar Kandasamy, and Dr. Gayatri Dhanasamy. Emeritus Professor Baker, I present to you Dr. Seongchu Ryu. Faraz Sadeghi, for a thesis entitled Structural Health Monitoring of Composite Bridges by Integrating Model-Based and Data-Driven Methods, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Jianchun Lee, Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Chinkun Zhu, and Joint Supervisor Associate Professor Shami Nejadi. Emeritus Professor Baker, I present to you Dr. Faraz Sadeghi. Emeritus Professor Baker, we now present to you our coursework graduates receiving awards today.
The following students have graduated with the Master of Engineering in Biomedical Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, Depirka Karki. Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, Priyanka Adhikari. Arshit Bhupendra Kumar Dhruv. Siddharth Bharatbhai Prajapati. Master of Engineering in Environmental Engineering, Master of Engineering Management. Master of Engineering in Geotechnical Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, Mohammad Sawad Chowdhury. Master of Engineering in Biomedical Engineering, Neha Sanjay Joshi. Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Rahayati Kanayan. Part Hitesh Kumar Shah. Yijun Shu. Master of Engineering in Environmental Engineering, Maria Isabel Toasa Cordero. Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Sudeep Adhikari. Diego Felipe Espinoza Parada. Krishna Prasad Jayaswal. Sneha Roshan Shrestha. Master of Professional Engineering in Biomedical Engineering, Sarad Kollegern. Jose Dennis. Nafiza Matin. Master of Professional Engineering in Civil Engineering, Nue Ma Miet Luin. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Bachelor of Medical Science, Adam Connor Margaritis. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Biomedical Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Business with Credit, Matthew Neat. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Biomedical Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Shams Abodarab. Zara Alex Barger. Sabrina Kusatria Law. Chinmay Gautam Vishnav. Benjamin Waller. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Biomedical Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Lance Nigel Tan. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Biomedical Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice, Husni Danaoui. Ayesha Waka Saeed. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering with First Class Honours, Xu Tong Zhang. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Reina Angela Illigan. Marika Joy Nauder. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Stephanie Sader. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Marina Beshai. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Tanya Mukia. Ishan Singh Raval. Harminder Singh. Devon Patmila Wirasuriya. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Business with Distinction, Sandeep Singh. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Ji Yan Chen. Yo Hala. Yi Luan Li. Song Jun Xie. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, Patricia Wu. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Bachelor of Business with Credit, Jeremy Sokar. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Olivia Ecclesiastis. Han Tao Lai. Anjie Liang. Simin Liang. Qingxin Liu. Qifeng Tao. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Business, Shivam Subodh Gurung. George Riyad. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Jonathan Cabinet. Stephen Ha. Siobhan Hamilton. Benjamin Hess. Melinda Huynh. John Isaac. J. Daniel Kelly. Elaine Kong. Andrew Matlub. Cooper Morrison. Mark Randall Nunny. David Pangner. Michael Rebelo. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Diploma in Languages, Evan Russell Johnston. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Saeed Taha Ahmed. Saroj Bastola. Nuno Felipe Bernardo de Jesus. Joseph Ceci. Xavier Matthew Chow. Mohammed Dabliz. Robert Harrison. Nicholas Malesevitz. Dylan Perabo. Lee Farm. Alexander Sentirmai. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2. Bassam Al-Majed. Afolabi Samuel Babatunde. Jamie Barrington. Philip Jonathan Boyas. Amin Haddad. Yana Homzi. Mohammed Marabani. Sadia Nurzi. Ahmad Razula. Borami Vandi. Nathan Wigan. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice. Simranpreet Singh Bains. Maxwell Chong Hong Bear. Nicholas Norman Bergman. Wael Hamad. Andrew Ibrahim. Neville Nicholas Naker. Varun Naya. Dana Marie Silang. Alexander William Turner. Andrew Lee Yu. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Bachelor of Business with Distinction, Shayal Sanjita Singh. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering with second-class honours, Bachelor of Business with credit, Stefan Anthony Kousulas. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Engineering Practice with second-class honours, Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, Thomas Clear. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Engineering Practice with first-class honours, Nicholas Philip Darler. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Engineering Practice with second-class honours, Vincent Pannell. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Engineering Practice, Farah Adam. Jake Amos Carraro. Matthew Michael Ryan. Gabriel Jose Sebastian Samaniego. Bachelor of Engineering Science in Civil Engineering with distinction, E. Lin Kaur. Bachelor of Engineering Science in Civil Engineering with credit, Priyanka Ben Bhavin Bakaria. Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Pragya Sharma. Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Alexander Kameas. Master of Engineering in Environmental Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, Isha Kotari. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Engineering Practice with second-class honours, Piyush Kumar Das. Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, Rohit Pula. Bachelor of Engineering Science in Civil Engineering, Akib Mutasim Rahman.
Emeritus Professor Baker, this concludes the presentation of graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology.
Congratulations to all our new graduates. Our occasional speaker today has been our presiding dean this morning, Professor Joanne Tipper. Joanne moved into multidisciplinary research field of medical engineering in the mid-1990s after completing a PhD in skin microbiology at the University of Leeds. Over the last 25 years, she has developed methodologies for isolating wear particles generated by total joint replacements. With over 80 peer-reviewed publications on the isolation of polymer, metal and ceramic particles and the biological responses to wear debris, her work has contributed to the understanding of implant failure and the development of longer-lasting, more reliable devices. Projects include isolation, characterisation and determination of the body's response to wear particles from new and novel materials. Joanne has also co-authored all of the major standards documents relating to wear particles, including International Standards Organisation, ISO, American Standards for Testing Materials, ASTM, and European Standards, CEN, to ensure that her research is adopted globally by industry. New and expanding areas of interest include combining cutting-edge techniques like bioprinting with tissue engineering and mechanical engineering to create models of spinal cord injury with the long-term aim of developing novel injury repair strategies. Joanne moved from the UK 4 years ago with her family to take up the post of Head of School of Biomedical Engineering and was recently also appointed Director of Research Performance, Health Engineering, in FEIT. Joanne attributes her success in part to good mentorship, and as a result she is passionate as a supporter of women in STEM, mentoring junior colleagues across the faculty and the Faculty of Health and Science, the Faculties of Health and Science. In her spare time, Joanne enjoys hiking around Sydney Harbour. She is currently in training for a 4-day hike in Tasmania later this year. It gives me great pleasure to invite Professor Joanne Tipper to deliver the occasional address.
Emeritus Professor, Professors and academic staff, distinguished guests, graduates, families and friends. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, upon whose ancestral lands the city campus of UTS now stands. I'd like to pay my respects to the elders past, present and emerging, acknowledging them as the custodians of knowledge for this land. I'm really delighted to be here with you today at this graduation ceremony. I'm particularly humbled by the honour bestowed upon me to deliver this address and to share this joyous day with you. Let me start by congratulating you, the graduates. Indeed, your incredible hard work has culminated in this special occasion today. The graduation ceremony remains one of the most memorable events in anybody's life, which comes at the end of a long journey of academic and life lessons. This ceremony tells you that you are now prepared to begin your professional lives and to fulfill your purpose. So 32 years ago, I sat in a different great hall across the other side of the world, hence my different coloured gowns, wondering where life was going to take me, a bit uncertain about my future out there in the actual real world. Believe me, I could never have guessed that I would end up here in Sydney, Australia, with a successful academic career as the world expert on wear particles from total joint replacements, where my scientific discoveries have led to greater understanding of the failure of devices and to patients receiving longer lasting and more reliable devices. So let's talk about success. The first thing that we should learn from our successes is that with hard work and determination, you can accomplish things that not everybody will. I was really lucky to fall into my career as a researcher in the 1990s, a little bit by accident, if I'm honest. However, here I am, I'm still here, I'm still doing research, same passion for that research that I had those 30 odd years ago. Passing on my knowledge, supporting junior colleagues, teaching and meeting new people, I'm really, really lucky that every day I get to work with similar dedicated and passionate scientists and engineers here at UTS, some of whom are sat here on the stage today. So after my PhD, my first real job resulted from a pretty casual conversation, actually. No interview, very little information for me. I just said yes. This is one of the key things for me. If you only remember one thing from what I say today, is make it this, is that those opportunities you are offered, and there will be many, I'm sure, make the most of every single opportunity. I attribute my success to this. I always made the most of every opportunity. I did the best job that I possibly could, and as a result was offered more opportunity, more responsibility, and I found myself ultimately leading large programs of research and several centres for training of PhD students. And this in turn led to my job as to come to UTS to lead a new school of biomedical engineering here in FEIT. But the world of work's very different today. There are few jobs for life, people are much more mobile, and the focus is heavily on skills. It may take you a while to find a job. You may need to change jobs to find something that you're really passionate about and what interests you. However, you are here today and you know how to be successful already. So when in the future you take on really hard things that seem impossible at the time, you already know you can be successful. The second thing that I attribute my success to is mentorship. I was lucky enough to be mentored by a female professor for 20 years. I'm hugely grateful for her support and encouragement, and I really don't think I would be here today without it. As a result, I try to pay it forward and mentor others as much as I can. I'm generous with my time and mentor at all levels, from PhD students to other heads of schools. It doesn't matter. If someone else can benefit from my experiences, then I consider that to be a real honour. So remember that the people that have supported you on your journey to today's ceremony, and be on the lookout for other people who could benefit from your support and your mentorship in the future. The final thing is to recognise that you will add value. There are many ways to add value using an engineering degree. You are the problem solvers and the innovators of the future, if not already in the here and now. So whatever discipline of engineering you have studied, you will make a difference to people's lives. If you're a biomedical engineer, you have the opportunity to impact the health of the nation, and if not the world. You may design new materials, new devices, new technologies that lead to discoveries that impact the lives of the aging population and those with chronic diseases. If you're a civil engineer, you may innovate in the building sector or create innovative processes allowing us to use waste products to create fuel and energy. The possibilities are endless and so exciting. So keep being an engineer. Keep adding value and having an impact. In doing so, you will not only make a difference, but you will also find much satisfaction and enjoyment in your work. And finally, just a word about our Faculty of Engineering and IT. Now the biggest at UTS on almost every measure. We hope that there will be opportunities for you to continue engaging with FEIT and UTS as you embark on your new careers. We engage with organisations more than ever before. We're strengthening our industry and community partnerships and driving global impact with our research. We are increasingly partnering with companies to solve real-world problems, bringing the exciting research generated by our students and our academics to bear on important problems for industry and Australia. Last year, we led and won a New South Wales Connectivity Innovation Network bid, which is bringing universities and industry together to provide innovative solutions that ensure we have communications during disaster recovery, and looking at how to improve telecommunications access in rural areas of New South Wales. Already with the floods of this year, we've seen the importance of collaborating to solve these challenges. I'm sure many of you will have used the opportunities during your degree to work with industry, whether it's been on an internship or Optic Summer Consulting Programme, and hopefully you've gained insights into the sorts of careers you're looking to build. And as your careers thrive and you go on to achieve amazing things, we hope you'll remain engaged with the UTS community and can in turn offer opportunities to future students. So congratulations to all our graduates. This is the beginning of the next stage for you, where you take your learning into your future. This is a big opportunity to find interesting real-world problems to solve, to show what you can do and be part of building the technologies and industries of the future. Many congratulations. We wish you all the best of success in your emerging careers. Emeritus Professor.
Well, I want to formally thank our occasional speaker, Professor Joanne Tipper, for the occasional address on this important day for us. I'd like to pick up on a couple of points that Professor Tipper made. One is success and making the most of opportunities. Opportunities will present themselves, opportunities will be presented to you. You need to think about where those opportunities might take you and do what you can with them in terms of building a successful career. The other thing that Professor Tipper said quite substantially was to talk about mentorship. And I think mentorship is very important in helping people build careers. And if you will indulge me for a little moment, I might say something about mentorship. I have volunteered at UTS over the past 2.5 years to mentor Ms. Rund Awad, who is a PhD student in FEIT. And we have been talking by Teams or Zoom on about a weekly basis for 2.5 years now. I've never seen her face to face until about 3 minutes before this ceremony started. She's actually flown from Jordan to be here with us. So I'd like to commend mentorship to you. It's both rewarding for the mentee and the mentor. And I think it's a very important way that people who have experience can help people who are growing experience. So to end, I want to acknowledge the family and guests who are here with us today and those who are at home or watching. On behalf of the graduates, we thank you for your support that you have shown the graduates throughout their studies. So let me say the best wishes and the pride of the university go with each and every graduate, and I hope you have a wonderful celebration with your family and friends today. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the occasional address concludes the formal proceedings of this ceremony. The academic procession is about to leave the Great Hall. Would the congregation please rise for the academic procession?